centuries gone by, protectors of the right, defenders sworn to fight. Dino Rangers roar, Power Rangers score, save us from these evil forces. Power Rangers, Dino Thunder, victory is ours forevermore. Protectors of the right, defenders sworn to fight. Dino Rangers roar, Power Rangers score, save us from these evil forces. Dino Rangers win, power from within, victory is ours forevermore.
Last time on Power Rangers Dino Thunder.
If this reading were accurate, we'd have a blanket of evil spreading over the entire state.
Well, how do you feel?
That Blue Bay Harbor must be destroyed.
Evil Power Rangers? How's that even possible?
Let's deal with these fakes.
Lucky for you, my master is willing to help out.
Reefside is about to get a whole lot more interesting.
You know, there's something we haven't even considered.
I'm way ahead of you. Mesogog, right?
What if he finds out about this? Can you imagine the two of them on the same side?
Great. My day just went from bad to worse.
Are you nuts? I take back everything I ever said about you being smart.
Have a look at what they've done. We have to get to the Abyss. It's our only chance.
You were there, right? You know what's inside that thing.
Yeah, our powers. And we have to get them back if we're gonna have any chance of helping the Dino Rangers deal with Tori, Shane, and Dustin.
No way. No. There's no possible way I'm going near that thing again.
I just want to say one last time, I think this is a bad idea. Okay, let's go. And stick together and split up, we're through.
Well. Love what you've done to the place. It's homey. In a high school science lab sort of way.
Lothor, your reputation precedes you.
Well, don't believe everything you hear. Although there's no such thing as bad press, right?
Right. I suppose you're wondering why I've called you here.
Let me guess. Does it have 12 legs and come in assorted colors?
There's only 5 colors this time, but they're no less of an irritation.
I feel your pain.
Well, I called you here in the hopes of an alliance of sorts.
I see. I'm listening.
I have a plan, but it would require use of your evil Power Rangers.
You've heard of those, have you? They're all the rage.
I believe there's a way we can help one another. That is, if you're willing to work together as a team to rid the planet of the Power Rangers once and for all.
Man, it stinks down here.
Let's find our powers and get out of here.
Over there.
The Samurai Amulet.
I can't believe there's no one guarding it. You had to say it, right?
Welcome to my home, Power Rangers.
Says here the Ninja Rangers defeated like 100 space mutants at one time.
After fighting them, I believe it.
Oh, come on. They weren't that tough. I'd fight them right here, right now.
Can I get you anything? A donut, maybe, or a muffin?
Try to stay away from sugar. Makes me hyper.
Oh, I'd hate to see him when he gets hyper.
Get up! We have some unfinished business to attend to.
Dude, she's kind of cute, don't you think?
Yeah, in a crazed Ninja Terminator sort of way.
Would you two focus here?
Right.
Can we get on with this?
We're not gonna fight you here.
Well, then we're just gonna have to destroy you.
We'll meet wherever you want, but you come alone.
Why should we agree to that?
It's called honor. I thought you ninjas knew all about that.
Fine. Under the Harbor Bridge. In 1 hour. The 6 of us. No one else.
Fine. We'll be there.
Ninja strength? Oh, how cool is that?
It's like to live at the bottom of the abyss. Goodbye, Rangers.
I can't believe I'm gonna miss my race tomorrow.
Did you seriously just say that?
Hold on.
So if they use special powers, we use special powers. If they morph, we morph. Sound good?
Does to me. Man, do they have to keep doing that?
Fools! You actually showed up.
This is boring.
Shall we?
Oh, yeah.
No, wait!
Wait a minute. Blake? That's how I know you. You're a Power Ranger.
Good, because we can use all the help we can get.
Yeah.
We're not here to help you guys out. We stick with our own kind.
Lothar has shown us the error of our ways.
Whoever doesn't follow us, we'll destroy.
This is gonna be great.
Wait. First, you have to take these. A little power boost, direct from the abyss of evil.
But we already have our powers.
Not these ones.
You better be right about this.
Believe me, you won't be sorry.
Oh, dude, what happened? Oh, my bell is seriously wrong.
How did we get here? The last thing I remember...
Lothar. He's back.
Yeah, we know. Sensei told us.
That wasn't Sensei.
No, dude, I know Sensei when I see him.
No,
It's Lothor.
Okay, unless it was Lothor dressed as Sensei, huh?
Okay, this is all highly amusing, but does someone want to tell me what's going on?
We were about to fall inside, but Dad got there just in time.
So we faked being on Lothor's side to get you to take the right ninja discs.
It's a good thing you guys showed up when you did.
Good thing for you guys.
Whatever, dude. No, I'm just playing, man. You guys fight like rock stars.
I, for one, will take that as a compliment.
We're glad you're here, but now it's time to get down to business.
Tommy is right. We have a serious problem on our hands.
And it's gonna take all of us to defeat him.
Sir, the troops are assembled and ready for battle.
Your general has done well.
Thank you, sir. Enough about him. Let's get this show on the road. We have a world to command, and the clock's a-ticking.
Master, I know it's not my place, but do you really think it's wise to trust them? I mean...
Of course it's not. That's why I don't. Lothor is a pawn, nothing more. When I'm done, he will be a mere footnote in our dino restructuring of Earth.
We'll be right back to Strength in Numbers, part of Jetix on ABC Family. Numbers, part of Jetix on ABC Family.
We've got company.
It's time. Let's show them what teamwork is really all about.
Get ready!
It is time.
Let's be careful, but let's get it done.
Are you guys ready? Ready! Dino Thunder! Power up! Blade Ranger! Dino Power! Ranger Storm! Ranger Form! Thunder Storm! Ranger Form! Samurai Storm! Ranger Form!
Tyranno! Tricera! Terra! Brachio! Drago! Dino Thunder! Power! Air! Water! Power of Earth! Crimson Thunder!
Navy Thunder! Samurai Power!
Ninja Storm!
move! Got it! I'll take it from here.
We got your back.
Brachio staff! Energy orb! You okay? They're asking for it. Let's give it to them. Super Samurai mode. Super Dino mode. Thunder cycle, activate. Triassic time! You're gonna regret this! You thinking what I'm thinking? Totally! Battlizers! Fire kick! Aerial mode! Fire!
Your plot has failed.
You two, get down there and do some of that ninja stuff you're always bragging about.
Gladly. Yeah, okay.
Nice moves, you guys. Back at you, bro. All right. Yeah.
Oh, guys! Hey, Cam.
What are you doing here?
Is that any way to greet family?
Yeah, especially when we bought you a present.
Check this out.
It's our students.
Thank you. We owe you a debt that we will never be able to repay.
No.
Now.
Hey, everybody okay?
Didn't think we really went bad. We were just pretending.
Again?
Yeah, well, we're slow learners.
I knew I should never have trusted those two.
And I knew I shouldn't have trusted you. Looks like this planet has one too many evil villains, and I have no intention of leaving. Say goodbye, Lothor. And this time, mean it. Very collectible.
Strength in Numbers, part of Jetix on ABC Family.
I'm afraid it's dead. Lothor's extraction of the powers left just enough energy for one last battle.
Yeah, well, I guess it's a good thing we got you guys.
You've done your part. It's our turn to take over where you left off.
There's just one thing I still don't understand.
What's that, Dustin?
Who rescued Sensei?
Oh, hello. I think we can answer that for you. Sure.
What? Do you guys have any idea how heavy he is? Yeah. Hey, Sensei, you should cut down on the cookies with your afternoon tea.
I will keep that in mind now that I am returning to my normal life.
I'm all about getting back to normal. Yeah, but not until we get down and dirty.
Okay, we've got our press passes, the camera, the microphone, and the hairspray, so we've got everything. All we need to do now is find Blake Bradley and get the interview. Kapri, did you just see that girl? She is like so stunning. Devin, did you see that girl? She is so stunning. But I am so much prettier.
And their dreams.
What's going on?
Nighty night, Red Ranger.
Power Rangers Dino Thunder, part of Jetix. This Saturday morning at 8:30, 7:30 Central on ABC Family.